So now that we've started this project, I'm going to take you into the other room there and show you basically the start of the internal drainage system. We've completed the demolition in this room here. We've broken the floor. We're excavating for the weeping tile. Once the excavation's been completed, we're then going to drill the bleed holes in the block foundation here, install the weeping tile, and connect it to a sump, which will be going in the other room. But basically, the internal drainage system is designed to de-water the home. And what that means is basically you're taking the water from a weeping tile internally and discharging that, whether it be to a sub pump, a natural drainage, or floor drain, or any type of discharge that will allow the water to exit from the property. You can see the guys are breaking the floor, excavating, creating an area that they can install the weeping tile for the drainage. And what that means is basically we're taking the concrete out around the perimeter of the foundation, which will allow us to install a weeping tile, which will then be discharged into a sump. So internal drainage systems can be installed in basically any foundation that has a foundation wall with a footing. If you come into contact with a home that's basically built on a monolithic slab, which is a slab on grade, then the internal system will not be the right solution. This basement was finished originally, so in order to do the internal water management system, we're going to have to basically demo around the perimeter of the foundation where we're going to be installing the internal drainage system. Basically, the demo would have to be done to grade elevation on the exterior. We have piled up all the demo over here, ordered a bin, and we're going to load this into a bin and dispose of it off-site. Once the demo has been completed, we're then going to break the floor. We're then going to drill holes in the bottom block, which are basically bleed holes, which allow the water to drain out of the block. That water will then gravitate into the weeping tile and then exit. We'll also install a membrane, which is a dimpled sheet of membrane along the foundation wall, which will capture any water from any higher elevation within the block area. After the weeping tile have been installed and the membrane have been installed, 3/4 clear gravel will go on top of that in order to create proper drainage. Once that's been completed, we will then reinstall the concrete to its natural existing height, and therefore the internal water management system will be completed.